Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Lincoln MKX, guys, and your high beams, headlights do not work, guys, stay with us, we'll explain what it could be. First of all, guys, it could be bad bulbs, but the possibility to get two bad bulbs, it's almost impossible, guys. So most likely, okay, what you have, guys, it's a bad fuse. You have one fuse, guys, for both headlights, high beams, and you have two fuses for the low beams. Each of the headlight has a fuse for low beams, and both of the headlights share just one fuse for high beams. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop. Our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So we have a 2009 Lincoln MKX. I'm going to go ahead, turn the lights on. I'll show you how the high beams do not work, guys. Okay, I want to demonstrate that for you. I'll get the key, plug it in, turn the ignition. Okay, turn the lights. Now I'm going to flip the switch here. Okay, it says high beams on. But check it out, if I come outside now, okay, you're going to notice that the high beams, guys, do not work. Okay, all we have is just low beams. High beams are right here and nothing's working. So let me show you guys, okay, how we'll take care of that problem now. First of all, we need to go ahead, turn the lights off, turn the ignition off, pull the key out. Okay, like that. Next, guys, if you come right here by the pedals, we have the park brake already pushed in. You have one cover right here, let me show you, that we need to remove. Slide it, pull it out, grab it like that. Now, we're looking, guys, at fuse number 23, and this one will be, guys, the fourth fuse. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4th from that relay, the second row, from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse, guys, right here is bad fuse. So I'll go ahead, grab this one, replace it now. Sometimes, guys, a bad bulb can cause that, so check your bulbs because you will still need to replace one if it's bad. If you need to buy new replacement fuses, guys, check it out in the description of the video below. We'll share the link to that fuse box. It's very cheap and amazing price, guys, for that many fuses. I just couldn't believe it. I'll push it in. Okay, now let me show you. I'm going to go ahead, turn the ignition on. Okay, ignition is on, headlights on. Okay, and high beams on. Okay, now let's see what we have now. And as you can see, guys, everything works now. So that definitely took care of the problem. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.